Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 5 II, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the common settings. At the second place here we have the save location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera. And let's have a look at this small icon here. It suggests us that the device now is searching for the location. So we have to wait, and as you can see it changes for this icon. Now I can take a picture and it saved the location of this photo. So let's see it by going here to the right corner at the bottom. Here we are in the gallery. To check its location we have to just simply slide down like that, and as you can see here we have the map with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.